Hello, come and join me. Let us style my hair together. So I just finished washing my hair. Before I go on to style my hair, I am going to do my facial routine. If you like to see my full facial routine, I have a video where I uploaded my full facial routine, including all the products I use for my face. Because, guys, before now, my face used to be terrible, very terrible. Now, back to my hairstyling. So, I just finished washing my hair and it is still damp. What I am doing now is using my finger to massage my scalp and also looking out for any detangled hair. I am now creating a partition just to give it some sort of styling. I like how my hair is so detangled that I can use a small comb to comb my hair. It really feels so good. Now I am combing the hair properly with a big comb, obviously, so I can quickly comb out my hair and move on to the next thing. Still trying to get the partitioning right so as to make the hairstyling come out really nice. The next step is then to apply the leave-in conditioner. So this is the leave-in conditioner I use and it is sold in the stores here in the Netherlands. So I use this leave-in conditioner because I like the way it smells and I like that it keeps my hair together, especially after styling it. So most times I use this leave-in conditioner and I do not have to use gel on my hair, especially if I have to stay home all day or if I'm working from home. Bottom line is, if I don't have to go out of the house, I usually do not apply gel on my hair. After massaging the leave-in conditioner into my hair, I am then combing the hair and also using my hands to ensure that I have the leave-in conditioner in every area of my hair. Now I am gradually pointing the hair into the direction of the style I want. Look at this beautiful girl. I already like what I see. So basically I am still going to be combing, massaging and just ensuring that the hair is properly conditioned. At this point I realized that the tip of my hair is still dried. So what I'll be doing next is adding more leave-in conditioner, especially at the tip of my hair. And of course other places where I feel that would be needing more leave-in conditioner. I am now using the brush to brush the hair in the direction I want it to go. So this brush will help put the hair together while I keep styling. Giving it some finishing touches and it's beginning to come together. So I have this very interesting hair situation at the back of my head. So the hair at the back of my head is refusing to grow and it's been like this for a long time, especially after postpartum. Guys, I had serious hair loss during pregnancy and after pregnancy. and my hair has since not recovered, but I'm pushing, I'm trying. So this is basically the final touches, really. As it is, I am just going to tidy up the tip of my hair and I am done. So when I have to go out or leave the house or I have to be somewhere, I would use a regular hair gel, which I'll be showing you in this video. Other than that, I really do not use gel except I really have to. And then to protect the tip of my hair, what I am doing now is, wet it, and then I'm going to braid the tip of my hair, and then I will tie my hair with a scarf for some time just to keep the hair together, and that will be all. Like I said, if I have to leave the house or if I want to be extra, I can then apply hair gel and then tie the hair for a while to keep the hair together, and that is it. So I have just finished braiding the tip of my hair and this is what it looks like. And yes, the very funny hair at the back of my head. What you see me doing now is applying hair oil on the part where I partitioned. Like I said, when I see a need to use a hair gel, I just use a regular hair gel lying around like this one, and that is it, guys. I am now tying my hair with a scarf for a few minutes just to keep the style together, and we're good to go. If you like to see a video where I applied relaxer on my hair at home, then you might want to watch the video that will be popping up at the end of this video. I also have other videos where I showed different ways I styled my hair, especially when my hair was really damaged. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.